So viewers at home, you are welcome to Soluble Tutors. So I'm here today to let you know that I'm here to help in terms of mathematics, physics, and chemistry. I will help you out because WAEC examiners has brought out, the chief examiner has brought out another thing to let us know where students are lacking behind. Okay, for the past 2-3 years, they've been talking about some topics in mathematics, physics, and chemistry, practical chemistry and practical physics, and I've been noticing them. So those topics are the topics that will likely come out during your GCE. And in case of students that are in the university also, you might come with your questions. This channel is to address questions about mathematics, physics, and chemistry. So by 9 p.m. on Sundays, I can increase the days, but primarily now on Sundays, I'll be attending to you. I've made a lot of video on mathematics, physics, and chemistry on different topics to cater for WAEC students, JAMB students. But now GCE is around the corner. So during the live video, you have opportunity to join me live to ask questions if you understood or you did not understand, and some areas that you are lacking behind that you want me to teach you. So there will be opportunity for you to reach out to me immediately as I'm teaching the class so that you can contribute and things like that. So it will be like a free tutorial. Now, what your parents supposed to be paying money to get, and I will anchor you from the beginning, okay, to the end until you start your GCE in terms of both theory and practical, chemistry, physics, and in terms of mathematics. So just gather all your problems, the topics that you're having problems with, let me know. So by 9 every Sunday, so I will start from this Sunday. So every Sunday, I can even increase it. I might add Saturday to it, but let's start with Sunday first. So by 9 p.m. at night, by Sunday, so I will start the class. So it will be Sunday for now. I can add other days to it. So we take it from 9 to like 11 or 12 until we are satisfied and we're able to do a lot in terms of the topic we'll be taking. So I have some topic already which are likely questions which I can ask you, okay, and even your subsequent jam and things like that. I have some topics that I've drafted that students always fail every year, which I believe and I'm sure I will always be asking of it, and the chief examiners have also discussed about it. So if you want to be a part of it, subscribe to this channel. After subscription, make sure you press the notification bell, okay. Share this video for a lot of people to gain, please. It's a free class, live class. Just share this video, let them know about this channel so that they can also gain what you will be paying for. You get it free here. So thank you and see you on Sunday. Bye. Thank you.